What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to show you a step-by-step guide on connecting your PayPal business account to ShipStation. This process allows you to streamline order management by syncing your sales data directly between both platforms. So let's get started. First, visit paypal.com and sign in to your PayPal business account. Next, find the drop-down menu beneath your profile name and select Account Settings. Within Account Settings, locate PayPal with Account Settings, then navigate to Account Access and click the update link next to API Access. If you are still using PayPal's classic interface, proceed to Request API Credentials by clicking Request API Credentials. Skip ahead to Step 6 if not using a classic interface. Under Pre-built Payment Solutions, grant API permission by entering payments api.shipstation.com into the third-party permission username box, then click Lookup. Check the necessary permission and add them before moving forward. Now open a new tab or browser window and log in to your ShipStation account. Navigate to Account Settings within ShipStation. From the left-hand sidebar, choose Selling Channels followed by Store Setup. Click Connect a Store or Marketplace and select PayPal tile. Enter your PayPal email address and send the email verification. Once you received the verification email, check it and follow the instructions provided to confirm the email address. After verifying, click Test Connection and continue if the test is successful. Choose whether ShipStation should use the PayPal transaction ID or invoice number as the order number and input any desired restrictions based on PayPal email addresses. Finally, decide which transaction types to import. And so there you have it. Now that you have successfully integrated your PayPal account with ShipStation, you can manage your orders more efficiently while saving time and reducing errors. Enjoy seamless integration and improved workflow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.